Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your credit card with Capital One. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To protect your credit card with Capital One, start by logging into your Capital One account. Use the Capital One mobile app or visit the website. If you're using the app, tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. For the website, look for the Sign In option at the top right corner. Enter your username and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the credit cards section. Here, you'll find various options for managing your card. To set up alerts, select Account Services or Alerts. Choose the types of alerts you want to receive. This may include transaction alerts, payment reminders, and spending limits. After selecting your preferences, save your changes. Next, consider setting up two-factor authentication for added security. Find the security settings under Account Settings or Security and Privacy. Follow the prompts to add your phone number or email for verification. Now, enable virtual card numbers for online purchases. Look for the option labeled Virtual Card Numbers under your card details. This provides a temporary card number for safer online transactions. Next, activate transaction limits if available. This feature helps you control spending and adds another layer of protection. Regularly monitor your account for any unauthorized transactions. Set a schedule to check your transactions weekly or monthly. If you notice anything suspicious, contact Capital One immediately. Lastly, keep the Capital One app updated to benefit from the latest security features. Stay informed about best practices for protecting your credit card. Following these steps will help ensure your credit card remains secure with Capital One. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.